The technology for the next generation. The best technology, best future.
Virtual worlds. The metaverse is composed of various interconnected virtual worlds, environments, and digital spaces. These spaces can be 2D or 3D and can range from simple social chat rooms to complex, immersive virtual landscapes. Digital avatars. Users typically interact within the metaverse through digital representations of themselves known as avatars. These avatars can be customized to reflect a user's identity and can move and interact with other users and the virtual environment. Immersive technologies. Many metaverse experiences incorporate technologies like virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, to provide a more immersive and realistic experience. Users can wear VR headsets or use AR devices to feel more present in the virtual world. Interconnectedness. The metaverse is designed to be interconnected, allowing users to move seamlessly between different virtual spaces and interact with other users, objects, and content. It's a shared, persistent digital universe. Social interaction. A significant aspect of the metaverse is social interaction. Users can communicate with each other through voice, text, or gestures, just as they do in the physical world. Social experiences, entertainment, and collaboration are key elements. Digital economy. The metaverse often includes its own digital economy, where users can create, buy, sell, and trade virtual goods, services, and assets. These can include digital clothing, real estate, virtual art, and much more. User-created content. In many metaverse platforms, users have the ability to create and customize their own content, such as virtual spaces, items, and experiences. This user-generated content contributes to the richness and diversity of the metaverse. Decentralized infrastructure. Some metaverse concepts rely on decentralized technologies, such as blockchain, to manage ownership of digital assets, ensure security, and enable trustless transactions. Privacy and security. Privacy and security concerns are crucial in the metaverse, as users need to protect their identity and personal information while engaging with others in the virtual world. Security measures are necessary to prevent abuse and harassment. Watch more. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.